Hello guys.
Hello.
Today we're here with a special guest, my little sister Savannah. You think she's only 1 year older than me, but that's because I slouch. So today we're gonna draw an iPhone. Alright, so you're gonna wanna draw like a tiny outer layer. Yeah, I think I did pretty good.
Okay, Sam, let me try.
This is what you're supposed to draw. And Savannah's going to be drawing it too, so we might be here for a while.
Hi, guys. So I'm going to try to draw the same thing as my big brother. Okay.
And while she's doing that...
Done.
Okay. Alright. So this is what it's supposed to look something like.
And look what I did, big brother.
Yeah, Savannah's honestly looks a bit better. But needs to be taller. But it's fine. Alright, so this is what it needs to look like. Just in case you didn't see it enough. And now you need to draw another tinier layer inside.
Nature to
inside
subscribe.
Of that. That too. You need to make a.
Yeah.
You need to make it look like this. I don't know exactly how to say it. And just in case y'all didn't know, Savannah's 5 and I am 8. And by the way, we just started school 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So we got about an hour.
Sam, look. I drew about good, but can you do the lines for me?
Yeah, that's good. All right. This is what it should look like.
And this is what mine looks like. Let me bend it a little. There.
This is gonna be just a tiny little detail.
Yeah, can I try it too?
Yeah, you can too.
Okay.
All right, this was the tiny detail. It's supposed to be a tiny little rectangle, with some lines in it. I don't know why I did this, but I don't know.
And this is my design.
Good enough. Good enough.
Okay, let me scoot a little bit there.
Okay, next up, you're gonna want to be making 12 squares for the apps. I'm not gonna be making the apps, but for instance, I'll make maybe one app. Yeah. My pencil keeps making holes. And
Sam,
almost done.
You can keep doing that. I'll get you a new pencil.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
It's fine. You can get yourself one though.
Okay.
All right, 6.
Bye, guys. I'll be just a little bit, but I'll come back.
8. 9. 10.
Okay, Sam. Let's see.
11.
No, put it here. No?
12. Alright. This is what it should look like. I don't know how the other people do direct to draws. Like, I'm sorry that I have to do this. And by the way, this is a flip phone. A flip phone, guys. Basically make it to look like a flip phone.
Bob, we're doing a video. Okay, so let me try.
And guys, we're basically almost done. We just need to make like a I don't know what they're called, but yeah, no. So let's just color it.
Sam, the colors are down there.
I'll be right back. Big box of mysteries.
Well,
back.
Sam, good job. Oh, hi guys.
Alright, so start coloring your phone. Remember, you can always pause the video if you're behind. How old is this thing? Look, guys. It's not even pointy.
Okay, I'm done with mine.
And that'll be good for that.
Can I
Yeah.
use it? Okay.
Alright, so I'm coloring mine like sort of green. Then, because it's almost Christmas, I'm going to color some other parts red. And maybe keep some a bit white for the snow. And I think Santa Claus wears a bit white.
Okay, I'm gonna get another color.
I'm almost done, guys.
There, I'm gonna color most of it like purple.
And where'd it go? Okay. I'll just use my other green. Hey, it's better green. I'd be ashamed if it was out. This thing is out, guys.
Sam, I know where the other green is.
Get out!
Yes.
And almost finished.
I'm almost finished too.
This.
Sam, are we gonna show them off when we are all done?
Alright. This is what mine looks like.
And I'm almost done. I just need to add a few touches.
So those little squares right there, that's where they should be. That's where the app should be. And just for a reminder, you can always pause if you're behind or rewind. Thanks for watching, guys.
Wait! I didn't show mine yet, Sam.
Okay.
I'm almost done. Okay, I'm done. I just need to show them.
Savannah's look pretty good.
Okay, bye guys. We'll see you later.
Wait, I forgot. There's one more thing.
Okay, Sam.
Color in your layer, guys. The layer that we made at the start. I'm just going to make it out of pencil because I don't have
I'm going to put some existing blue. I need to find some few touches. There. All done.
Almost done, guys. I wish I knew how to edit, but I don't. There we go.
Wait, Sam. I actually need to do one more show off. Look how it is so far. Do you see the little polka dots I put?
Alright, so thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
And until then, goodbye.
Goodbye.